In this video, we're going to be giving you a tour of our 2021 American Coach Patriot Class B RV Sprinter van. If that's what you're looking for, you've come to the right place.
Hey there, I'm Rose.
And I'm Dan, and we are the Half-Ass Travelers. Rose and I thought you'd be interested in a tour of our RV. We figured we better shoot it before we loaded it with all the stuff for our upcoming trip. So follow me along. I'm going to show you the outside, which shouldn't take very long because there's not much on the outside, and then Rose is going to show you the inside. This RV is built on a 2021 Sprinter 3500 chassis. It's got four-wheel drive, it's got dually rear wheels, and it's got some off-road capabilities, although we're not going to be taking it rock crawling anytime soon. If you take a look at the tires, we've got some pretty much off-road tires on there. I really like the black rims with the white. I think it really looks good on this particular van. As we come back here, come around, we'll show you the driver's compartment. I know this is technically inside and Rose is supposed to be doing the inside, but since we're here, I'm going to go ahead and show you the driving seat. It's a very easy to get in and out. There's extra steps here. It's very easy to get in, and it is so comfortable to drive. I mean, it's just a really comfortable driving position. We'll show you the other electronics and the screen once we come inside. If you come back here, you'll see the area where we do all the dirty work. There is an outside shower with hot and cold water controls. Also in this compartment is the macerator hose and the controls for all of the tanks, the gray tank, the fresh tank, and the black tank. Also the connections to hook up the city water and fresh water. As we move around the back, you'll see we've got the connection for the shore power, as well as the exhaust for our generator and for our water heater. There's also a vent for the water heater. As we come around back, you see we have a trailer hitch. Okay, one of the biggest challenges of this van and I think pretty much any Class B is storage. As you can see, we don't have a lot of storage. We cannot use any of this space because when we put the bed down, it's comes right down here and we can't fill that space with anything. So, but there's some good features back here. Actually, if we open the bed, we've got a handy screen that goes all the way to the bottom. So we could actually lie in bed with the screen open here, the screen open on the side, get a nice cross breeze and have a nice view. So we never have to get out of bed. And up on the roof, we've got 230 watts of solar and a bunch of vents. Back here on the passenger side rear of the van, we've got the LP controls. We've got a 15-gallon liquid propane tank. Here's the controls. There's a hookup that we can set up a grill or connect a grill to it. There's also the fill and the on and off switch. Also, we have a large awning. You can see it runs almost the entire length of the van. When we put the awning out, we've got plenty of shade. That door was supposed to open automatically. All right, but watch this. I got a remote. So there we go. How's that? That better? See, the birds even liked it. We've got a screen door here. It just snaps on. It's right out here.
Keeps all the bugs out. Fantastic.
Looking close here, Rose, there's a really interesting feature here. If you look at the bottom of the screen door, if you've got a pet, actually the door will open a section and there's a tie-off for a dog leash. So you can actually be out sitting outside with your screen shut and have a anchor point for the dog leash. So we don't have any Clark Griswold incidents of chaining the dog to the back bumper.
That's pretty cool.
I don't want that. All right, so we're going to bring you inside. Rose is going to take over, and I'm going to take over camera work. What do we got here, Rose?
Hey guys. Well, this is the front area dashboard of our Mercedes Sprinter. And you see it's got a nice system control here. It's got everything you need. Very simple, everything's electronic. Pretty nice, wood grain. And then we have our nice captain's leather seats. Material's real nice. Yeah, they do. They actually do.
What's this here?
That's a little extension table that we can, once we turn the chairs around, you can actually work on your computer.
Awesome.
When you're in here. Yep. And then, all right, so we have another compartment in here, which you have a lot of storage in here. It's very deep. And, you know, your high-tech speakers here for our radio. And then we're going to go into this little area here, which is our bathroom. It's fully equipped with a sink, toilet, and a shower.
Ooh, that looks like a nice toilet.
It is. It's a porcelain.
Are you sure it's
Very
a porcelain?
Nice. I'm very sure it's a porcelain. Very sure.
You would know, honey.
Yes, I would. All right, so now we're going to move up. We have a fan up here, so you can, if somebody goes, you know. But anyway, here's our kitchen area. Have a nice little sink. It's perfect with a little cover so that you can work on it as a counter space. Have all this storage space for all your kitchen necessities. We have an induction stove, which is real nice. Easy to clean. Okay, except it's not right now, but it's easy to clean. and it works real well. And we have some more storage area up here for all your paper plates or whatever.
Food.
Yeah, for the food, yes. And then we have a microwave convection oven. So you can pretty much do what you do at home in this microwave. Then we have a very nice large refrigerator. Got plenty of storage to last us a few days worth of food in there. And a little freezer where I can keep my Italian ices, which I have to have every night.
All right, you know what? I think it's about time we switch sides. And because there's not a lot of space in here, we're going to have to move out. We'll be right back.
So, okay, we're going to continue our little tour of our van. Like I said, you have plenty of storage space here. This is a very deep storage area where we usually put all our towels and our clothes. You even have a little one here on the side for your little
necessities.
Toiletries. Yep, necessities. Okay, so, and this is a very comfy 3, maybe 4-person couch if you really had to. It folds down electronically and goes into a bed. And you have actually a centerpiece that goes right here, and this whole area is almost the size of a king. So pretty comfortable. I like it. Our windows, you have screens, they open so you get some fresh air in here. And guess what we have? Our entertainment area. Can you see that on?
Got it.
Yep. Have our TV.
What's that, a Fusion stereo?
Yeah, I'm not very good when it comes to technology, but I'm sure that you'll fill everybody in.
Mm-hmm.
And that's pretty much all I can think of. Did we look in here? Another storage area for all our clothes. You can hang, you know, some things that you don't want to get wrinkled. And that's pretty much it for the tour. Oh, yes, the AC. AC blows real strong in the back. You have controls that you can open and close, so it can give you as much airflow as you need. And these are the filters, which you really have to keep clean at all times.
And how do you control that?
Yep, by the Firefly. This is our little computer, and it handles everything in the van.
Mm-hmm.
And
Dan got everything on it.
Yeah, and Dan can explain more of that because I'm technologically a beginner.
Well, that's just showing how much left on the batteries. We're at 100%. We're good to go.
All right, guys, so that was a tour of our little home that we're going to be taking out west. I hope you enjoyed it. We're going to be in it a lot.
If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And
Yes.
we'll see you out there. Remember, everything takes twice as long.
When you're half fast.
Couldn't have said it better myself.